friends, this question asked in GATE 2004 in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying. A and B are the only two stations on a Ethernet. Each has a steady queue of frames to send. Each had a steady queue of frames to send. Both A and B attempt to transmit a frame. Collide and A wins the first back-off race. Okay. At the end of this successful transmission by A, both A and B attempt to transmit and collide. Okay. The probability that A wins the second back-off race is. Okay. So this question belongs to exponential back-off algorithm. And exponential back-off algorithm is used to reduce the collisions in the network. Okay. So let's see what is the exponential and what it wants to say. We have two stations A and B, okay, and we need, in exponential back-off algorithm, we need to give a waiting time if collision is there. Okay, so waiting time equal to what? K into time slot. From this we will give the waiting time. Okay, if there is a collision. Okay, so K is what? K equal to what? 0 comma 2 की power n minus 1. Okay, n is what? Number of collision. So this is for first collision. Okay, so n equal to what? For the first collision, n equal to what? 1. So we need to choose what? K equal to 0 comma 2 की power 1 minus 1 means what? 1. K is what? 0 comma 1 means we can assign the value of K station A and station B from 0 comma 1. Okay, so it is saying you what? The first back-off race is also wins by A. Okay, so you can consider like this. You can assign the values of K for A and B like this: 0 0, okay, 0 1, okay, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so waiting time for A equal to what? Here waiting time A equal to what? 0, okay, for A, and 0 for B means both starts to transmit the message at the same time, because waiting time is same, means neither A will win, neither we will win the back-off race, means collision is there. Because waiting time of both the stations are same from the exponential back-off algorithm. Okay, when K equal to 0 and B equal to 1 means waiting time for A equal to what? 0 and T equal to what? Time slot. So when A is sending the masses, then station will wait for their time slot. It is not able to send the message. Okay, so it will wait their time slot. So definitely A will win. Here. Okay, when K equal to 1 for the A. Okay, so time slot waiting time for A equal to what? K equal to what? 1 into time slot. So it will wait their time slot to send the message. Station A will wait their time slot to send the message. And what is the time slot? What is the waiting time here is 0. So when we is transmitting the message, then A will wait their time slot. Okay, so definitely here B will win. Okay, similarly A is also waiting for their time slot and B is also waiting for the same time slot, and they will start transmitting the message at the same time. Okay, so definitely there is what? Collision. So it is saying what? A wins the first back-off race. So what is the probability of A wins? Probability of A wins is what? One time it is winning, and total possible cases is how much? 4. So 1 upon 4 equal to what? 0.25. Okay. So this is all about the exponential Markov algorithm. So let's see the second case. This is first case, first Markov exponential algorithm, Markov race, and let's see the second. Okay, t time slot, t slot. Okay, waiting time from this formula we can calculate. Okay, so here is a here is a B, and A wins the first Markov race, that's why it will send their second packet, but B loses their first Markov race, that's why it will send second first packet in the second race. Okay, so G, that's why the K value is here 0 1 2 3. Okay, 0 1 2 3. For the A it will send. Okay, so what it is saying, again A wins the second Markov race. Okay, so what when A will win, when A 0, then B equal to 1, it will be their time slot. Okay, so it will win how many times? So 1 0, no, it will not win. 1 1 collide. 1 2, yes, it will win. 1 3, yes, it will win. So total winning possibilities of A is how much? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. How much? 5. And the total possible cases is how much? 2 की power 3 is how much? 8. Total possible cases is what? 8. Okay, so probability of A wins is what? Probability of A wins is what? Total possible cases in which A is winning is how much? 5. And total possible cases is how much? 8. So what? 0.625. What? 0.625. This is the final answer. So which option is true? Option B is true. Option B is true. Okay. So no need to go through like this. Okay, they also told what is the A will win, that's why Markov 0 1, and V is losing, that I 4 conditions 0 1 2 3. Okay, so as I told you in the solution, that way is a good way. Okay, so option B is true, means 0.625 is the answer. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.